I have been trying to learn how to French braid my hair for a really long time, and I find it really difficult. And so today I'm gonna show you how I fake French braid my hair. I think it looks nearly like the real thing, and it's way easier to do. So this video is gonna be a step-by-step of my fake French braid process. Step 1, part your hair down the middle. I'm not too precious about how well I part my hair just because I'm lazy. Now that you have it sectioned off, I usually take like most of my bangs. It's just like a small section, and you split it into two. Taking those two sections, twist away. See how I'm twisting away from my head? Twisting away from my head. I twist the two sections together once and then twice just to get yourself started. So now you have, so you can see, a little twist. And this is the beginning of your fake French braid. Now we're going to be working with just these two strands down your head. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab a little bit more hair from the top and a little bit more hair from the bottom. And if you can see, so I've grabbed from the top and a little more from the bottom, and I've added to those twists. And then I'm going to twist together. So I've added more hair and I've twisted together, and then I'm going to just add a little bit more from the top, add more from the bottom, twist together. Then I'm going to add from the bottom, add from the top, twist together. I'm getting farther down. Top, bottom, twist together. And then at this point, I stop because I've noticed that I have essentially these two sections and then this third section of hair. And ideally, this third section of hair that hasn't been put in your braid yet, or your braid yet, is about the same size. So like this section, and then this untwisted section, they should all be about the same size. And then here is where I'm going to transition into the braid. So I have these two twists together, and we've been twisting away from my face. So I'm going to split them apart. I'm going to grab this third section of hair, and I'm going to pull it right through the middle. And then since we've been going this way, the next one to do is this one farther out. So you're going to twist that under. And then you're going to start braiding. So now you got this one under, and you're braiding. Sometimes I braid over, but for this, it works a lot better if you braid under. So under, 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 and then there we go. We have our first French braid. And I think it looks pretty stinking cute. And then I always kind of fluff up the braid, and then there you go. Fake French braid. So I'm gonna do it again on this side, and I'm gonna talk you through it again, just in case you didn't get it the first time. I'm trying to be as clear as possible, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I can try to respond. Okay, so twist, twist. That's our start. Then we're taking some from the top, just a little bit, and just a little bit from the bottom, and then twisting together. We're adding a little bit from the top, adding a little bit from the bottom, twisting. From the top, from the bottom, twist. And then from the top, from the bottom, and twist. And then I'm like right above my ear, and I have about a third left here. So I'm gonna draw it through the middle, and then I'm gonna start my braid, starting with the one that's farthest away from my head. And I'm gonna start under, and then under, 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 and then here we go. Here's our braid. And there you have it. Two very cute fake French braids. I hope it works as well for you as it works for me. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe for more hair and other videos, and I will see you in the next one.